Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily connect the AirPods to your iPad Pro M5. So as you can see here, we do have the AirPods Pro 2. And to connect them to our tablet, we have to at first open the case. And as you can see, not your AirPods Pro. When you have your AirPods brand new, you'll see not your AirPods Pro, you'll see just AirPods Pro. Some AirPods Pro that are somewhere here. Now you have to tap connect, this big white button over here, and now if these are Pro 2s, you have to press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. You just have to do the procedures that are on the screen currently. Hold the button at the back. And now, as I can see, now these are my AirPods, so we can click OK here. But now, as I can see, here we do have the introducement to our AirPods, and as I can see, here they have 100% of the earbuds itself and 77% of the case. As for the AirPods Pro 3s, which are the latest ones, we have to, instead of holding the button, we'll have to tap on these over here touch panel. Of course, it will be shown on the screen, and every single AirPods in introduction will be different. So don't worry, you'll pair your AirPods without any problems. To find the setup for your AirPods, go here to the settings, and here go to AirPods Pro Find My. Of course, on Find My you will see Camille's AirPods Pro, or your name is AirPods Pros, or something like that. And here, as I can see, I need to lower the brightness level. Here, as I can see, we do have our settings menu. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.